This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and opening your app in Android Studio. Add Google Play services and set Min SDK version to meet Admob requirements. This ensures runtime compatibility. Next, update your app level build. Gradle to include the mobile adds SDK and sync the project so dependencies download. Once done, confirm the application ID matches your Firebase or Play console entry. This linkage prevents ad serving issues. Make sure to keep versions updated to avoid mismatched APIs and build failures during later steps. You now configure runtime behavior and permissions so ads can load. Insert the Admob app ID metadata tag into Android manifest. XML under the application element, this registers your app for ad requests. Then, initialize the SDK early, call mobile ads. Initialize context in your application class or main activity on create so targeting and caching work. Also, declare internet and access network state permissions. And during development use, test add unit ID to avoid policy violations. You finish by implementing ad placement and validating delivery. Add an ad view to your layout or prepare interstitial/rewarded objects in code, then call load ad with ad request. Builder. Build and run on a real device, watch logcat for Admob error codes, and confirm test ads appear. If nothing shows, double-check your app ID and add unit ID in the manifest and code, ensure permissions are set, and register test devices. Once tests succeed, replace test ID with production units and monitor fill rates and analytics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.